Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link cells in different Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with multiple spreadsheets and need to pull data from one sheet into another without manually copying and pasting everything. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where all your files and folders are displayed. From here, locate and click on the spreadsheet you want to edit. This is the destination sheet where you'll be importing data from another spreadsheet. Now, let's say you have a list of names in your current spreadsheet and you want to pull corresponding email addresses from a completely different spreadsheet. This is where the import range function becomes your best friend. Click on the cell where you want the imported data to appear. In this example, click on a cell under the email column. In that cell, type equals import range. This function is specifically designed to import a range of cells from one spreadsheet into another. Now add an opening quotation mark. At this point, you need to tell the function which spreadsheet to pull data from. Switch over to the other spreadsheet, the one that contains the data you need. Look at the URL in your browser's address bar. You'll see a long string of characters after spreadsheet / or d/. This is the unique ID of that spreadsheet. Go ahead and copy this ID. Head back to your original spreadsheet and paste that ID right after the quotation mark in your formula, then close it with another quotation mark. You've now told the function which spreadsheet to look at. Next, add a comma. After the comma, you need to specify the exact range of cells you want to import. This is called the range string. For example, if your data is located in cell C2, start by adding an opening quotation mark, then type C2, then add another closing quotation mark. Finally, close the entire function with a closing parenthesis and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Here's something important to note. Sometimes when you use import range for the first time between two sheets, Google needs your permission to connect them. If this happens, you'll see a message in the cell. Simply click on the cell again and look for the option that says Allow Access. Click on it to enable the connection. And there you have it. You've successfully linked cells between different Google Sheets, allowing your data to stay connected and automatically update across multiple spreadsheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.